what if I told you that this entire video was made using just one AI platform? No switching between different AI generating tools, not even any editing software. From AI image generation and cinematic videos to talking avatars and video enhancement, all from one platform with one workflow. Say hello to Domo AI, the all-in-one AI platform built to simplify the entire creative workflow and designed for both beginners and professional creators. Honestly speaking, after experiencing Domo AI's brand new Seedance 2.0 update, I think it might be one of the most underrated AI video platforms right now. Thus, can Domo AI really do it all? Let's find out. Inside its dashboard, you'll find two main sections, AI Video and AI Image. Each section includes a variety of powerful tools to help you create, transform, and enhance your content with AI. Just take a look at this simple workflow, and you'll realize how easy the entire process is. In the video section, all you have to do is upload a single image or multiple images, then write a detailed prompt describing exactly how you want your video to look. Next, adjust the settings if needed, and select the Seedance 2.0 model. Now just hit Generate. Within a few moments, Domo AI will turn your images into a cinematic AI video with smooth motion, dynamic camera movement, and realistic visual quality. Depending on needs, Domo AI offers two versions of the Seedance model, Seedance 2.0 for high-quality final videos, and Seedance 2.0 Fast for quicker generations and rapid testing. Now what if you don't already have an image? Let's put Domo AI to the test and see how accurately it brings text prompts to life, starting with a detailed prompt that describes the images that need to be created, using the AI Optimize option to improve the prompt. Next, pick a model from this large collection available here. Now just hit Generate and you'll get your images in just a moment. Have you heard the good thing? The flawless GPT Image 2 is also available with Nano Banana's top-tier models. Domo AI recently upgraded its image generation with unlimited 2K output, sharper details, faster generation, and much better text rendering. You can create stunning cinematic images from just a prompt. But for this test, we'll upload a reference image to see how accurately it follows our instructions. After adding the reference image, simply describe the changes you want, adjust the settings, and click Generate. Within seconds, Domo AI creates a high-quality image that preserves the original composition while applying our prompt with impressive accuracy and realistic details. Wait, has anyone noticed this wild one? So it includes the image upscaling too. Just upload an image and upscale it up to 6K resolution while preserving sharp details and image quality. Okay, now let's dive into the AI video tools and see what they can do. First up, the talking avatar feature, which is one of the most useful tools for YouTubers, educators, and content creators. Simply upload a portrait or a video, then paste the script in this box. To choose a voice, we can pick any of these three, uploading from the assets, instant voice recording, or generate one using the text-to-speech feature. I've already generated a voice with the text-to-speech feature, so I'm using it directly from assets. After adjusting the settings, just click Generate. An interesting fact is it supports multi-voice generating options, which means you can create podcast-style dialogues or animated conversations. Finally here.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Sometimes the smallest step forward can lead to the biggest changes in life. Whether you're learning something new, starting a project, or simply trying to improve yourself, remember that progress takes time.
The Domo AI creates a talking avatar with natural lip sync and realistic facial expressions. The final result looks smooth and is perfect for videos, tutorials, and social media, saving creators time while letting them use a realistic talking avatar instead of appearing on camera. Since we've already explored image to video, so let's try the most common feature, text to video. Simply need to enter a detailed prompt here. Use AI Optimize to improve if needed, adjust the settings, and click Generate. Within moments, Domo AI creates a high-quality video that closely matches our prompt. Moving to the frames to video feature that I really love, instead of starting with just one image, you can upload between 2 and 8 images, then describe the required needs as I'm doing, and generate. Domo AI intelligently creates smooth transitions between every frame, perfect for creators making cinematic stories, anime edits, travel videos, AI music videos, and smooth scene transitions. There's a unique feature you'll be glad to know, the character to video feature. It is especially useful if you create original characters or anime content. The workflow is simple. Upload a character image, then upload a reference video. Domo AI transfers the movement from the reference video onto your character, making it dance, walk, perform actions, or mimic human motion while keeping the character's original appearance. An excellent tool for VTubers, storytellers, game creators, and anyone who wants to bring static characters to life without complex animation software. Okay, so our video generating process is done, but what if anyone needs to increase the quality of visuals? Check out this video upscale feature to enhance the final output up to 4K, improving sharpness and overall visual quality with its high-fidelity AI upscaling system. Everything stays within Domo AI. So that was a quick overview of Domo AI, a creative, user-friendly platform designed to turn ideas into reality. Okay, now stop for a moment. Tell me one thing. Have you ever wondered how Domo AI compares to other leading AI tools? Thinking about it, I've tested quite a few popular AI tools. After trying all of them, here's my takeaway. When it comes to ultra-realistic cinematic quality, some competitors still have an edge, but Domo AI delivers polished, realistic results that are more than good enough for most creators. For motion and consistency, it produces smooth animations while keeping characters and scenes visually stable. And compared to professional editing platforms, Domo AI stands out by giving you access to powerful models like Seedance 2.0, GPT Image 2, Nano Banana, along with its own capable AI models. In addition, I identified 3 more advantages of using Domo AI. First, the workflow. Everything happens on a single platform, so you don't have to jump between multiple AI tools. Second, anime and character creation. Domo AI is highly optimized for anime-style content and original characters, where many other platforms still fall short. Before we move on to the third one, let's answer a frequent question. Is Domo AI free? The answer is yes. Once you sign up, you'll receive 15 free credits, giving you the chance to explore Domo AI's core features and see what it can do before spending a single cent. And the third advantage is the pricing model. Domo AI offers excellent value to the users. The Pro plan includes 4,000 credits plus unlimited generations, making it one of the more affordable options compared to many premium AI tools. For casual creators, the basic plan is a great starting point, but if you're producing content consistently, upgrading to the standard or Pro plan will be a smart move. You'll get more credits, greater creative freedom, and far more flexibility to grow your creative journey. Unlock the best value by choosing the annual plan and enjoy a 30% discount. Grab the opportunity of a limitless creation. One more thing before we wrap up. Seedance 2.5 is coming soon to Domo AI. Until then, explore the full potential of Seedance 2.0. Try Domo AI with yourself and bring your ideas to life faster. Head to the link in the description below and unleash your creativity. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share the video. Subscribe to the channel to get more cool AI tools and tips.